welcome to online lecture of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 3, subject Maths, topic Number Work, Part 4. Children, in Part 1, that is digit, we have studied about how the numbers are positioned in units, tens and hundreds place. In Part 2, that is expansion, we have studied how to expand a number. In Part 3, that is place value, we have studied how to find the place value of any digit in a number. Children, in today's lecture, we will study the last part of our chapter, that is smaller number and bigger number. So let us start. Let us talk about comparing numbers. Any two-digit number is bigger than any one-digit number. For example, here 51 is a two-digit number and 7 is a one-digit number. Therefore, the two-digit number, that is 51, is bigger than the one-digit number, that is 7. And if both numbers have two digits, then the one with bigger tens digit is bigger. For example, here 34 and 68 both are two-digit numbers. So, to find which number is bigger number and which number is a smaller number, we'll compare the digits which are at the tens place in both the numbers. In 34, 3 is at the tens place, and in 68, 6 is at the tens place. So children, which is the bigger number, 3 or 6? Yes, 6. So it means 68 is the bigger number. Any two-digit number is smaller than any three-digit number. For example, here 85 is a two-digit number and 459 is a three-digit number. Therefore, the two-digit number, that is 85, is a smaller than the three-digit number, that is 459. And if both numbers have three digits, then the one with the bigger hundreds digit is bigger. For example, here 782 and 563 both are three-digit numbers. So, to find which number is a bigger number and which number is a smaller number, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place in both the numbers. In 782, 7 is at the hundreds place, and in 563, 5 is at the hundreds place. Children, which is the bigger number, 7 or 5? Yes, 7. So it means 782 is the bigger number. If the hundreds digits are equal, we'll compare the tens digits. If those are also equal, look at the units digits to determine the smaller and bigger number. For example, here 846 and 842 both are three-digit number. So to find which number is a bigger number and which number is a smaller number, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place in both the number. In both the numbers, 8 is at the hundreds place. So now we'll compare the digits which are at the tens place. In both the number, 4 is at the tens place. So now we'll compare the digits which are at the units place. In 846, 6 is at the units place. And in 842, 2 is at the units place. So children, which is the bigger number? 6 or 2? Yes, 6. So it means 846 is the bigger number. Children, let's do some exercise. Put the correct sign. Greater than sign or smaller than sign. Let us start. 974 box 625. Children, both the numbers are 3-digit number. To identify which is the bigger number, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place in both the numbers. In 974, 9 is at the hundreds place. In 625, 6 is at the hundreds place. So children, which is the bigger number? 9 or 6? Yes, 9. So it means 974 is the bigger number and 625 is the smaller number. So we'll put greater than sign. Next, 392 box 397. Children, both the numbers are 3-digit number. To identify which is the bigger number, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place in both the numbers. In both the numbers, 3 is at the hundreds place. So now we'll compare the digits which are at the tens place. In both the numbers, 9 is at the tens place. So now we'll compare the digits which are at the units place. In 392, 2 is at the units place. And in 397, 7 is at the units place. So children, which is the bigger number? 2 or 7? Yes, 7. It means 397 is the bigger number and 392 is the smaller number. So we'll put smaller than sign. It means 392 is smaller than 397. So this was all about your chapter number work.